Hi everyone! Recently, I presented to my colleagues some Google tools that may help us to manage our work from home setup. During my presentation, I used an interactive slide deck which I now wish to share to you. If you want to get a copy of that, please go to the description of this video to get the link. Later, I would like to share how I created that simple interactive slide deck. First, let me give you a walkthrough of how this deck can be used. The first slide is a Bitmoji virtual room. Notice that there is an audio icon. As the image suggests, let's click it. Hi everyone! This slide deck aims to share tutorial videos on how to use some free Google tools that may help people who are working from home. Let's move to the next slide. For the second slide, I have a call out, my Bitmoji, an image, audio, and YouTube video. The viewer of this deck may press the play button to watch the video. Hi everyone, I'm Victor. I'm a teacher from the Philippines and I love creating tutorial videos. I hope you will watch and like them too. If you find my videos, the third slide, what is new here are these shapes with text that are linked to other slides. This slide serves as a menu where we can access all the next slides. At the upper right corner, you will see an option to end the presentation. For the fourth to eighth slides, the viewer of this deck can watch videos from YouTube about each Google tool mentioned in the menu, which are Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Meet, and Google Sheets. In each slide, you will also see the skill set that you will learn in watching the video. There's also this link going back to the menu, which is the third slide. So when I click this, it should go back to the menu, which is this third slide. Let's go to the ninth and last slide by clicking the end text here in this shape. This is just asking the viewers if they have any questions. They may click this link to go where they can write their questions. So this is where they will be directed to write their questions. Now let me share to you how I created this interactive slide deck. We are still going to use free online tools like Google Slides, Bitmoji, Google Image Search, audio recording tool, and YouTube video. For the first slide, we just have to add images and Bitmoji to create this virtual room. In this video, I'm not going to show how to create the Bitmoji virtual room or scene anymore. I have a separate video where I demonstrated how to create a Bitmoji scene and how to animate the character. You can watch that video by going to the link that I included also in the description of this video. Let's add an audio in this slide. You can use any of your recording tool or you can go to vocaroo.com. You can use this button to record your voice. For example, this presentation is used by those who are going to work from home. After recording, you can click Save and Share, then press the download button. It will be saved in your local drive, so you have to upload it to your Google Drive. So let's go to the local drive first and let's change the name. Now let's go to the Google Drive. So let's now upload the audio that we have created. Let's go to this folder and click the new button and select File Upload. Let's select this file and click Open. We need to share this file for that to be used in our Google slide. So right click, then click the Share option. At the bottom, click the Change to Anyone with the link. so that anyone on the internet with this link can view the file or can hear the audio, and click the Done button. Now let's go back to the slide. To add the audio file in this slide, click the Insert menu and select Audio. From the files, click the Sound Demo and click Select. Then let's move this icon near to the Bitmoji. You may increase the size. But now let's add the arrow. To do that, just simply go to jiffy.com. Let's go to Stickers. Then let's use the keywords transparent click. Let's choose for moving image. So let's click this chain icon to get its link. Now the link is copied to the clipboard. Let's go back to the slide. Click Insert and then select Image and choose by URL. Control V or right click, then paste the URL here. Then click Insert button. So let's resize and let's put it near to the icon. Now let's try. Let's click this and let's hear the sound. This presentation is used by those who are going to work from home. Okay, let's move to the next slide. So I just pressed Control M, or you can also go to slide, then select the new slide. Let's change the layout to blank layout. To do that, go to slide and select apply layout and look for blank layout. Let's change the background color by clicking this background tool. For the color, let's just choose this one and click done. I would like to add a Bitmoji, so let's look for one. The keyword is point. Let's see. Let me use this. To crop the image, you can double click. These bars will appear. You can just drag it down so that it will be cut. And then click enter. Do the same here. Click enter. Okay, so let's add a call out. So click insert, choose shape, and let's have call outs. So let's make use of this one. And then we can change the fill color. So let's choose this one. And then double click to add text. Let's resize the text. And you can also emphasize it by clicking the bold tool. We can also increase the size of the border. Then you may add audio here. You can just follow the instruction that we did on the first slide. So let's look for an image of a television that will be added on this slide. So go to Insert, click Image, then search the web. Let's search for this keyword. So let's select this. And then you may also crop the image, double click, and then drag this down. Enter. Okay, let's resize the picture. Right click, select order, then choose send to back so that the Bitmoji will appear in front of the image. Let's just adjust the image. And then we are going to add a video of my introduction in this television. So to do that, I'll click insert, video, and I'm going to search it in my YouTube channel. Then search. This is the video. Click and then press the select button. And then you can just adjust it so that it will appear in front of the television. Right click the Bitmoji, select order, then choose bring to front. Okay, now we are done with the second slide. Let's continue to the third slide. Select slide and choose new slide, or you can press Ctrl M. Here, I would like to add another Bitmoji. The keyword I'm going to use is look. I'll choose this image, click and drag to the slide, and we can just adjust it. Double click, then crop the picture. And press enter key. You can also resize this. And then let's add a call out. Click insert, shape, and choose call out. Let's choose this one. Let's change the fill color. Increase the size or the width of the border. And let's add text by double clicking the shape. Let's not forget to change the color of the background. Let's choose this one and click the done button. Let's close this panel. Let's find another image. Let's say projector screen. Let's choose this one. And let's increase the size of the image. Here we are going to add shapes that will act as button, and when the text there is clicked, it will go to other slides. So to do that, just simply go to insert, select shape, and we'll choose rounded rectangle. So let's just put that here. And then let's choose a color. Let's say this is light orange. Double click, and this is about Gmail. We can change the font and we can increase the size. We can also center the text and bold it. So that's one shape with text. Let's duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D. This time it will be about calendar. Let's change the fill color to, let's say, yellow. And then Ctrl D to duplicate the button or the shape. Then let's change it to drive. For the fill color, let's change it to light blue. Duplicate, then let's move it here. And this one will be about Google Meet. And for the color, Let's change it to light green. Let's have one more, Control D. Then let's put it in this position. And this will be about sheets. And let's use another color. So let's say this is color light purple. Okay, then let's add one more shape at the top of this slide. Control D, and then let's move it there. And let's rename it to end. So this means that when this is clicked, it will go to the last slide. We are going to return here later so that we can put the links to other slides. Let's move to the fourth slide first. So Control M, and let's change the color. I will choose light orange for this. And then I am going to look for another picture. So let's say also a television. Then I'll choose this one. So this is where I am going to put the YouTube video about Gmail. So we can resize it. And then I would also like to add a table. I'll choose this one. So let's put it there. And then let's put this here. Right click, order, and then bring to front so that it appears on top of the table. Then we can adjust it more. Okay, so let's put the YouTube video about Gmail in the television. To do that, let's go to Insert, Video, and let's look for the video about Gmail. Click and then select this button. Then let's adjust this to appear that it is inside the television. Let's move them to the center of the table. Now let's add text. So click Insert, then Text Box. So here I would like to add a text telling us that this is about Gmail. Then I'm going to look for another sticker. The keyword is arrow. And I'll choose this one. I click this chain icon to get the link. Let's go back to the slide. And then click Insert Image by URL. So let's paste it here. And let's click Insert button. We can change where it is pointing by rotating this. And then we can still make it smaller. Then we can also add a logo of the Gmail here. So we just have to go to Insert, Image, and search the web. So transparent Gmail logo. Click and drag to the slide. Then let's adjust the size. Then let's put it there. And then I'm going to look for sticky note. Let's choose this one. Click and drag to the slide. So this sticky note will have the skill set that will be learned by those who will view the video. So let's adjust this. And then I would like to add a pin. And let's choose this one. Let's adjust the size, then put it somewhere here. And then I'm going to add another text box so that I can put here in the sticky note the skill set. Okay, now I'm done adding the text boxes, arrow sticker, pin image, video, and other images needed for this slide. Now let's add the 5th to 8th slides. The instructions for slides 5, 6, 7, and 8 are similar to slide 4. You just have to add images, text boxes, stickers, and YouTube video like what we did in slide 4. Now I have added the tutorial videos from the 4th to the 8th slide. Now what I would like to do next is to put a shape here that when clicked, it will go back to the menu, which is the slide number 3. To do that, click Insert, select Shape again, Shapes, and select this rounded rectangle. We'll change its color. So let's say this one. And then double click and let's name it Menu. Let's align it center. Let's make it bigger. We can even make it bold. And then we can add the link and then choose slide number 3. Since this will be the same in all other slides, so we can just simply copy and then go to the 5th slide, paste it there, go to the 6th slide, paste like Control V, 7th slide, Control V, and in slide number 8, Control V also. Now we are done with the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, up until the 8th slides. Let's proceed to the last slide. So let's just remove these placeholders again by going to Slide, Apply Layout, and click Blank. Then here, let's add a background. So let's say this is the color. Click Done. Let's add another Bitmoji. And let's say I would like to use this Bitmoji. Let's put it on the side. Then adjust the size. Let's put it somewhere on the left. And let's add a call out. So that is shape, call out, and let's choose this one. Let's change its fill color. Also the width of the border. And then let's put the text by double clicking. You can also add the audio here if you like. Then let's go here and choose another image of television. So let's choose this one. Let's have another table. Let's choose that. Then we can adjust the size. We can put this in front or on top of the table. To do that, order, then bring to front. Then let's add another shape here. Go to Insert, Shape, and under Shapes, select Rounded Rectangle. This is where we are going to put the link. So double click. Let's increase the size, change the alignment, and then we can also change the font. Then bold the letters. Then let's add the link here. So what I would like to do is when the viewer click this link, it will go to the post on my Facebook page. So I'll just simply highlight this, click this link, insert link tool, and paste the URL here. Then click apply. Now let's go back to slide number 3. What I would like to do now is to put link in this shape so that when I click the Gmail, it will go to slide number 4. So to do that, just double click and then go to the insert link icon and then choose the slide where you want it to go. So for Gmail, that is slide number 4. Then click apply. Do the same for the other shapes with text. So double click, insert link, then let's choose the correct slide. So that is slide number 5. Then click apply. Do the same for the others. And then here, let's link this to the last slide. So that will be the slide number 9 and click apply. Let's now check what is the output of our presentation. So let's click the present button at the upper right corner. And then on the first slide, when we click this
There should be
presentation
some.
is used by those who there should be sound. Then let's proceed to the next slide. So here, when we click this play button, hi everyone, I'm Victor. I'm a teacher from the moving on to the next slide. So here, this will serve as our menu. So let's click Gmail. And as you can see, we were directed to the slide of Gmail. This is the skill set, then this is our video. It will also play. Hi there, I am Victor and when we click this menu, it should go back to slide number 3. Now let's try Meet. As you can see, it went to the Google Meet slide. We have the skill set here on the left side and the video on the right. Then let's click the menu. Now, if we are done checking all of this, you can go to the end link and it should direct you to the last slide. Now in this slide, the viewer can just simply click this link so that he can write his questions. So as you can see, it just went to the Facebook post where they can write their comments. I hope you learned how to create an interactive slide deck with me. If this was helpful, please like this video. Please write your feedback on this video too. Thank you! Please don't forget to leave your feedback. Please consider liking and sharing this video too. Again, this is Victor. Thank you all for watching.